Hi, I'm Nicholas, and today I will be teaching my mom how to solve a Rubik's Cube. The first thing you need to do is find the yellow centerpiece. And we're going to make a daisy. Just find your yellow centerpiece first. And now you want to find all your white edge pieces and put it in the right spots. And you can get lucky, so we have two. So you want to find a white edge piece.
There.
Okay, so you want to move the yellow side your front side. So you want to move the downside clockwise. And then you want to move the front side counterclockwise. And move the right side just once. And move the right side clockwise. Okay, now find another one.
There.
Okay, so move the front side clockwise. And then move the left side twice. Now go back to the yellow side. And now you have a daisy. And the next thing, and we're gonna ignore if we have any corners pieces. So the next thing is we're gonna do is face your daisy like that, and you wanna find one of your white edge pieces. Choose one.
Oh,
No.
edge piece. Oh, I have only ones here.
Okay, yeah, choose one of them.
Okay.
Okay, so what's that color?
Orange.
Now
Next to it.
match it to the orange centerpiece.
That is here. Okay.
And now move the front side twice. Now you want to do it to the rest without destroying it. So find another one.
Red.
Now match it to the red side.
That's this side. Okay.
Now move the front side twice. Now find another one.
Green. It's already matched.
Yes, so we could just turn it twice. Front side twice. Now do another one.
Blue.
Okay, match it to the blue centerpiece and then turn the front side twice. Now flip over your cube. And now you have a white cross. We're ignoring if we have any corners again, and it's matched with the corresponding centerpiece over here. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is flip your cube so the white side is in the bottom and the yellow side's in the top. Like this. Okay, now find one of your white corner pieces.
There.
Okay, so what are the two colors?
Red and blue.
Match it to the red and blue centerpieces. Red and blue centerpieces. That's red and green centerpieces. You want to match it to the red and blue. So just keep on turning. And now just turn it's back where it is. You need to put it there. Now just make the blue side your front face over here. And now you already got it matched. So you want to move the right side clockwise, the top side twice, the right side counterclockwise, the up side counterclockwise.
You mean the top side?
Yes. And move, not twice, just once. And then move the right side clockwise, the top side counterclockwise. Clockwise. And move the right side counterclockwise. Now you got this matching. We're gonna do it to the rest. Okay, so now find another white corner piece.
There.
And what are the two colors?
Blue and orange.
Match it to the blue and orange centerpieces. You find the blue So the
What's
it's over
here?
there. So you're gonna match it. Move the right side clockwise. Up face twice. Right side counterclockwise. Upside counterclockwise. Right side clockwise. Upside clockwise. Right side counterclockwise. And you did it to another one. Let's find another one. But since these pieces are not matching, wait, no, sorry, I just made a mistake. Okay, so find another one, which is
There.
which is there. So match it with the two colors, green and orange. So match it to green and orange centerpieces.
Okay. Green and orange.
No, you flipped it too much. Now just turn your cube right here, and then it's on the left. So you want to move the left side counterclockwise, upside counterclockwise, left side clockwise, and there you have a matching pair again. Okay, so you solve. Wait, you just need one more. So let's look where it is. It's in the bottom, so we want to scoop it out. So make the red side your front face. Red side.
Which is the top. Okay.
No, just make it this. You always want to have your red side in the bottom. Okay, so move the right side clockwise. The top side clockwise. Right side counterclockwise. The top side counterclockwise. Right side clockwise. Up 2 times. Top side clockwise twice. Wait, counter. Okay, right side counterclockwise. Top side counterclockwise. Right side clockwise. Top side clockwise. Clockwise. Right side counterclockwise. And then you solve the bottom layer and your first face.
Oh.
Like that. Okay, so what you want to do is find one of these two pieces that don't have yellow on it. So
Find what?
these two pieces that don't have yellow. Your top layer edges.
Okay. These don't have yellow.
Okay, so the top color is, this color is,
Blue.
no, the other one.
Red.
So match it to the red side.
Which is way behind. Okay.
Okay, this top color is,
Blue.
the blue is on the right or left.
Left.
So we're gonna do this left algorithm.
Okay.
It's upside clockwise. Wait, counterclockwise. Left side counterclockwise. Upside clockwise. Left side clockwise. Upside clockwise. Front side clockwise. Upside counterclockwise. Front side counterclockwise. And there you have a matching pair. Okay, now find another one.
A top piece without yellow. There. Green and orange.
Okay, so green's on the top, match it to the green side.
The green side.
Okay, orange is on the right or left.
It's on the right.
So we're gonna get this pair over here. So we're gonna do this right algorithm, which is the opposite of the algorithm what we did last time. So it's upside clockwise, right side clockwise, upside counterclockwise, right side counterclockwise, upside counterclockwise, front side clockwise. Wait, counterclockwise. Top side clockwise. Front side clockwise. And there you have that there. If you use these two algorithms, you should be able to entirely solve the first two legs. Okay, so we'll find another one.
This one here, orange and blue.
Orange is on the top, so match it to the orange side. Orange is on our right, so we're going to move the top side clockwise.
You mean blue is on the right?
Yeah, right. So top side clockwise,
Okay.
right side clockwise, top side counterclockwise, right side counterclockwise, top side counterclockwise, counterclockwise, front side counterclockwise, top side clockwise, front side clockwise. Let's see if we have another one.
This has yellow.
Wait,
This
we
don't
do
have
have another
yellow.
one.
Yep.
And
Green.
it's already matched, which is good.
Mm-hmm.
And green is on our right. So
Green is on our right, yes.
okay, so move the top side clockwise,
Mm-hmm.
right side clockwise,
Mm-hmm.
top
Top
side
side
counterclockwise, right side counterclockwise, top side counterclockwise, front side counterclockwise, top side clockwise, front side clockwise. And now you have solved your first two layers, and you have your right side solved.
Ooh, go.
Okay, so
Okay.
you were gonna solve
Mm-hmm.
a yellow cross, but you already have one, so
Yes.
I'm gonna make you do one of the stages for solving the yellow cross. Okay, so you're gonna have 4 stages. If you already have a yellow cross, then you could just skip this step. But if you have a line, an L, or a dot, then just do these algorithms. So you have a dot. So the blue side, your front side, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Move the front side clockwise. Up face clockwise. Right side clockwise. Top side counterclockwise. Right side counterclockwise. Front side counterclockwise. Once you do that, you will have a line. You want it to face the other way. Turn your front side. Just turn your front side like this. And now you'll have your line. You want it to face this way. And make the blue side your front side again.
Horizontal. Okay.
Yes. Move the blue side
Mm-hmm.
and move the front side clockwise. Move the right side clockwise. Top side clockwise. Right side counterclockwise. Up face counterclockwise. Up face counterclockwise. Yeah. And move the front face counterclockwise. And now you will have a yellow cross.
Oh.
Okay, so hold on. Here's a case if you have an L. You want it to face right here. And we're going to be ignoring if we have any corners. And do F, front face clockwise. Up face clockwise. Right side clockwise. Up side counterclockwise. Right side counterclockwise. Front side counterclockwise. And now you will have a yellow cross. Okay, so once you have a yellow cross, if you did this step right, you're never gonna have 3 yellow corner pieces. You're gonna either have 0, 1, or 2. If you have 0 or 2, you're gonna see these 2 yellow corner pieces and face it on the color on your left. So face it on the color on your left. These 2 yellow corner pieces on the color on your left. So it's orange, right? So match it to the orange side, since the color on your left is orange. We're gonna be ignoring the color, the edge piece over here. Okay, make the blue side your front side. Right side clockwise. Upside clockwise. Right side counterclockwise. Upside clockwise. Right side clockwise. Upside twice. And move the right side counterclockwise. And now look at your yellow side. You have a plain cross, and you're going to have 0, 2 sides, so rotate these 2 yellow corners on the color on your left. Rotate the 2 yellow corners. No, on the color on your left, so keep on rotating the top side. Right here. Yeah, so it's on the left side. Make the blue side your front side. And move the right side clockwise. The top side clockwise. The right side counterclockwise. Top side clockwise. The right side clockwise. The top face clockwise twice. And move the right side counterclockwise. Now you're just going to have 1 corner piece. They look like there's going to be a fish. So rotate that corner piece so it's facing down. So just move your front side. This side. Yes, so it's facing down in this position. To know if you need to do the algorithm one more time, you're going to have a corner piece right here like we did, and a corner piece right here. Okay, so move the right side clockwise. Top side clockwise. The right side counterclockwise, the top side clockwise, the right side clockwise, the top side clockwise twice, and the right side counterclockwise. And now you have solved your yellow face.
Nice.
Yes. Next step is to solve the top layer corners. So if you already have matching corner pieces, hold it on your left hand. So hold it on your left hand. You want to face it so it's on your left hand. And you're going to do this long algorithm. Left side clockwise. Top side clockwise. Clockwise. Right side clockwise. Top side counterclockwise. Right side, left side clockwise. No, clockwise.
Oh, I think I did wrong.
No, you did it right. You did it right. Just left side clockwise. Top side clockwise twice. Right side counterclockwise. Top side clockwise. Right side clockwise. Top side clockwise twice. Right side counterclockwise. Now you will have just 3 or 4 edges. If you already have one face solved, you want to face it away from you. Face it away from you. So the inside. So that side is in the back. Okay, this is the last algorithm you're going to do. Front side clockwise twice. So this is the green side. You want to rotate this green edge piece to the green side.
Okay.
So that means yes, like that. Right side counterclockwise. Left side counterclockwise. Front side clockwise twice. Right side clockwise. Left side counterclockwise. Top side counterclockwise. Front side clockwise twice. Yes. And now you have solved your cube.
Voila.
Yes, and that's it. You're done. You solved the cube. You may need to watch this again and again until you really solve the cube all by yourself. Like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.